Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can just make a software update in your Samsung phone and how you can just upgrade. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like the video for more videos and hit the bell icon. So let's start. First you have to go to the settings option in your smartphone, then swipe down, or you can see in front also. Swipe down, you can see there is a software update. Click on it. You can see this interface. If you have Wi-Fi, then just auto download over Wi-Fi. Just turn it on and then click on download and install option. Friends, you can see this update has software update, device stability improvement, bug fixes, new enhanced features, further improvement or performance. It is about the performance of your smartphone, and it will weigh 164 MB and UI 6.0, 1 March 2024. And this, you can also schedule this update and also install now. Just click on install now. You have a better connection first, and this makes Android system update preparing to update the package, and it is like this. We have to wait for 1-2 minutes, and now it is opening. And the update is starting.